Hello, my name is Chrispinus Wolter Sigar. In this video, I will to explain briefly about the installation of brick wall. Now, I will to explain. The first, prepare to material and tools, and don't forget prior to the safety of work. And then start the job in the following sequence. The first, soak bricks in water to saturated water. The second, plug the thread as a benchmark to strengthen the wall. The third, set up the cement and sand. The fourth, at the time of putting the blade, put the cement mix on the surface that will be placed brick, and put put crash the brick head. The fifth, plug the brick with horizontal position as press the heat with the tip the masonry trowel. The sixth, check its completion of the installer and certified cement mix in the brick. The last, check it again that the work has been complete. So, it's a brief explanation about the installation of brick wall. Thank you.